Hello and welcome to this course, Ultimate Search Engine Optimization Strategies of 2017. In this course, you will learn all about SEO and how to become a master of it. So, what will you learn? First of all, I will tell you what SEO is, why we use it, and then we'll take a look at an SEO checklist, which includes the steps needed to get your website to number 1. After that, I will tell you my top 3 SEO tips. And then we'll go into the SEO tools section, which includes a few videos on some different SEO tools which I think will be great to help you optimize your website, including Keywords Everywhere, Moz Local Listing Score, and Yoast SEO. And then we'll go into the SEO strategies, including keywords, how to build a keyword list, followed by my favorite keyword research strategy. And then we'll look at optimizing your website for voice search, why you should use shorter URLs, SEO for local businesses. We'll take a look at backlinks, how you make them and why you should make them, and why they are so useful. And then we'll look at using social media to gain visitors to your website. And finally, I'll show you how to run Facebook page ads that will gain your page thousands and thousands of likes at as little as 0.004 cents each. Then we'll take a look at 15 different awesome SEO tips and tricks in 5 different videos, so they're split up nicely. After that, we'll look at website optimization, or on-page SEO. I'll tell you what it is, how to optimize any page on your website, how to optimize a blog post, and then why you should optimize your pages. And finally, I'll end the course, congratulate you for completing the course, give you a bonus to get any of our courses for just $10 or £10, depending on where you're from. I'll give you 2 free extras. One is a smart YouTube statistics tool, and one is a free design tool tutorial, how to design logos, social media posts, and much more. And that is the entire course. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you learn a lot, and I hope you have a great time. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.